Immerse yourself in the profound insights offered by Father Chuck Belmonte as he delves into daily reflections on various gospel passages from the Bible.
June 12th, Thursday. Which are the sacred vessels and liturgical items? It is useful to know and be able to identify the sacred vessels and liturgical items used in worship, especially those used for the celebration of Mass. The sacred books used in the Mass are called the Lectionary, which contains all the readings, psalms, and gospels, and the Sacramentary. They are placed either on the self-standing lectern or ambo for the readings, or on a small folding bookstand on the altar during the Mass. Vessels should be made from solid materials that are considered noble in a particular region. Preference should be given to materials that do not easily break or become unusable. Metal vessels should ordinarily be gilded on the inside if the metal rusts. Vessels that serve as receptacles for Eucharistic bread, ciborium, pyx, monstrance, could be made of non-metal materials that are prized in the region, e.g. hardwood, as long as they are suitable for sacred use. Sacred vessels should be blessed, thus dedicating them to sacred use. The chalice is a cup used at Mass to hold the precious blood of Christ. The bowl of chalices and other vessels that serve as receptacles for the blood of the Lord should be made of non-absorbent material. The base, however, may be made of any other solid and worthy material. The paten is a shallow dish on which the host is placed. The chalice and paten hold a place of honor among the requisites for the celebration of Mass, since they are used in presenting, consecrating, and receiving the sacred species. The ciborium is a covered cup in which the small consecrated hosts are kept. It is usually covered with a veil. The corporal is a linen cloth, about 20 inches square, upon which the chalice and paten are placed. It is customarily pleated in 4 folds, overlapping inwardly so that no fragment of the consecrated host may be dropped. It is carried in the purse. The pall is a stiff cardboard, typically square, covered with linen. It is used as a cover for the chalice to protect it from dust and other foreign matter. The purificator is a small linen towel used to dry the priest's fingers and the chalice at the end of the Mass. The chalice veil covers the chalice before and after its use at Mass. The communion plate is held under the chin of the communicant, or the hands if the Eucharist is received in the hand, to catch any particle of the sacred host that may fall. The communion cloth, placed over the rail, has a similar purpose. The altar bell is rung to alert those present at key moments of the Mass. The cruets are 2 small bottles or vessels containing the wine and water to be used for the consecration and the ablutions after communion. A censer or thurible to burn incense is used in solemn Masses. The incense boat is a vessel in which incense is kept. A small spoon is used to transfer incense from the boat to the censer.
I would be delighted to extend an invitation to you once again tomorrow for another insightful reflection on the Gospel by Father Belmonte.